born on December 27, 2001, from Poblacion, Baliwag, Bulacan. A daughter of Mrs. Norjana Sultan and Mr. Sadiq Taba. With her mantra, my success comes only through Allah. Agalag Francesca Rain H., born on September 25, 2001, from Lumbak, Pulilan, Bulacan. A daughter of Mr. Cecilio Tagalag and Mrs. Cecilia Tagalag, with her sister, Miss Adina Tagalag. Her mantra, no matter how hard it is and how hard it gets, I'm going to make it. Tan May Rian B., born on November 23, 2002, from Donacion, Angat, Bulacan. A daughter of Mr. Pilgernan Tan and Mrs. Marina Tan. With her mantra, when there's a will, there's a way. Tomake Nohaira Queen C., born on June 10, 2001, from San Rafael, Bulacan. A daughter of Mr. Felicito Tomake Jr. and Pahidsa Tomake. Her mantra, embrace every challenge with compassion, learn with purpose, and serve with heart. Uson Pauline B., born on January 14, 2002, from Baliwag, Bulacan. A daughter of Mr. Raul B.C. Angilio and